Ever since I was young, I always loved the idea of a tiara over my head and heels on my feet. I am an avid pageant fan and I've always dreamed to join a prestigious one someday. Now, I am finally on this platform, fulfilling a promise I made to my younger self. I am fond of singing and I also love dancing. I spend my leisure time reading books, challenged by the quite difficult requisites of the course I am taking. I always see to it to study my lessons ahead of time. Nature too has a special space in my heart. I enjoy spending time in the countryside observing and appreciating the beauty of nature. Joining this pageant is both an honor and a pleasure for me. However, I'm ready to step up, explore, and flaunt the beauty that comes with the heart. I firmly believe that a beauty pageant isn't only about conforming to the set beauty standards. It is also about sensitivity and having a purpose. This is Christine Alima Socobos from the humble municipality of Itafe, proud and honored to represent Accounting Department.